So first, you make sure your drone is connected. We have simple drone connectivity using our telemetry. So all you have to do is just make sure your drone is connected, and it's as easy as clicking the connect button and making sure you have a GPS fix. This will tell you where your drone is. So all you have to do is zoom into your location. Zoom into your location. This is my current location. So zoom into your location and it tells you where you are, and you can easily plan your mission. Go to the plan section. Go to the plan section, and then you click on, you can select any point in your map where you want to plan your mission. So you drag, right click, click on draw a polygon. You draw a quick polygon. Yeah, that's it. And then you right click again and you click on auto waypoint, survey grid, which automatically sets up a survey grid for you. So you just remove this. Remove this. Okay. Select whatever camera you're using. Whatever camera also normally come with the Aerohawk, or it comes with the Nova. Yeah, ours normally comes with the Nova. So you select the Nova camera and you click accept, and this automatically sets up your point for you. Now it tells you the distance between each point. So you can see here it tells you the previous meter, the home distance, and the current distance between each point. So whenever it passes each point, it takes a picture for you, and you can always load the file, save this file, so that you can always, once you're done with this, you can click on write or write fast, which automatically sets up this waypoint for you. Okay, so there's a mistake here. Let me click on write. Click on save the file. You can click, let's say your company's name is Olam. You can click and save the Olam file. That automatically saves. So you can easily cross-check your mission and make sure that, so the drone, this is the drone currently, and it moves from this home point all the way to this place. It secures that and make sure that it's at altitude of 170, and it steadily plans the mission and moves according to the plan. This is a close-up image of how it looks like. Yeah. And then once this information is saved, all you have to do is just click on takeoff, right click, click on either takeoff, return to launch, whatever command you want to use. And you can also clear your mission if you don't like this setup. And then, oh sorry, should see, I made a mistake here. Okay, so then once you're done with this and you want to upload your data, you go to our dashboard. So this is the Artemis One, which allows you to upload data directly. We upload this data directly from your mission planner into your dashboard, and you can always store things like there's a file storage. You can easily store your data and make sure that your data is there first hand. You can get notifications directly from us, your profile. Yes. Let me give you a first-hand introduction. So we have my email, my password, I agree to terms and conditions. Yeah, we are logged in. So you can always book your next appointment via this. You can check your profile, check your drone, view drone profile. You can click on maintain. You can always maintain your drones via your dashboard as well. You can check notifications to make sure that any messages is sent you, and then also the file storage. You can also check files that we drop for you here. You can also check our analysis on the analysis log. So that's it. So this is the it's very easy. It's more like a right click and undo thing, so it's really easy to use and also easy to set up. Very interesting piece of technology that we're developing here at SpacialNova.